Hello and welcome. In this video, we will go through the process of applying for the EIC BAS Co-funding grants implemented by the EIC ACCESS Plus project. During this video, we will learn about the EIC ACCESS Plus project, eligibility criteria, the service packages that can be applied for, how the grants work, how to apply. Some frequently asked questions will be answered in the end, and we will have our conclusions. Let's get started. The EIC ACCESS Plus project is an initiative of the EIC BAS. The project aims to offer up to 60,000 euro in grants, covering up to 50% of the costs to access specialized services from the EIC Service Catalogue. A total of 180 companies will receive the funding during the 2 years of the project. Each beneficiary can access up to 60,000 euros. There are 3 types of beneficiaries that can apply for the grant. The first one is the EIC beneficiaries, that includes the EIC Pathfinder, EIC Transition, and EIC Accelerator awardees. The second one is the Seal of Excellence holders under Horizon Europe only. And there is a special category of companies that can apply for these grants, which are spin-offs from the EIC awardees, if they can provide some form of proof. Companies can access 4 different service packages, as follows. The research package, which includes access to infrastructure and R&D support, prototyping and proof of concept. These services can receive the maximum amount of grants available. The business acceleration package includes acceleration, incubation, and venture building, business planning, matchmaking, and internationalization. Companies can receive up to 30,000 euros to access the services from this package. The skills improvement service package includes coaching and mentoring. Beneficiaries can receive up to 10,000 euros to access services from this package. And the Access Funds service package that includes the IP and legal, due diligence, and support fundraising. Companies can receive up to 30,000 euros to access the services from this package. Each beneficiary can receive a maximum of 60,000 euros, covering a maximum of 50% of the cost to access only services from the EIC catalog. 1 or multiple packages can be accessed. The applications can be submitted before the 31st of May 2026, and the services must be completed by 30th of June 2026 in order to be eligible for the grant. The application process is as follows. First, the applicant needs to review the eligibility criteria to make sure they are qualified to receive the funding. The second important step is to select a service provider from the EIC Service Catalogue. After a potential beneficiary has selected a service from the EIC Service Catalogue, they can join the EIC ACCESS Plus Community Hub to access the application form. Once they are approved to join the Community Hub, they can fill in and submit the application form. We will go now through each of the steps of how to apply for the grant. To review the eligibility criteria, you need to go to the EIC ACCESS Plus project website. You can find the link to the EIC ACCESS Plus project in the description box below the video. Once on the website project, go to the news section and look for the article explaining the eligibility criteria. Once you have reviewed the eligibility criteria, it's time to select a service provider from the EIC Service Catalogue. This is the EIC Service Catalogue. You can find the link to the catalog in the description box below this video. There are different ways you can navigate the catalog. One way is to look for a service aimed at a certain type of EIC beneficiary. Another way is to browse the services directly. The EIC Service Catalogue offers access to over 150 organizations covering over 400 services that are grouped into 11 categories. For example, if you're looking for support in fundraising, you can access a list of all the partners offering this service. You can use filters, or you can check the list. You can also visit individual profiles. To apply for the grant, you will need the company name, the service ID, the service description, and a start and an end date for the service provision, as well as the cost. You can contact a service provider by filling in the form at the bottom of the page. Once you have selected the service provider, you can now join the EIC ACCESS Plus Community Hub to access the application form. An invitation to join the Community Hub can be found in the description box below the video. You can also join the Community Hub by clicking the link on the project website. You will need to create an account to join the community. Once your account is approved, you will be able to join the community. The last and most important step is to fill in and submit your application. The application form is available inside the Community Hub at this link. You need to fill in all the questions in the application form. Before submitting the application, you need to download the Declaration of Honor to sign it and to upload it. Agree with the terms and conditions and click Send. Congratulations, you have now applied for the grant. A dedicated page for frequently asked questions can be found on the project website. Some of these questions we have already answered in this video. How long does the application process take? Once you have submitted your application, you should receive an answer from the EIC ACCESS Plus team in about 2 weeks. Can someone apply for funding more than once? If someone wants to apply for different service packages, they need to apply individually for each package, but the total funding a company can receive is 60,000 euros. Thank you for your attention. All the links mentioned in this video can be found in the description box below the video. The EIC ACCESS Plus project was founded by the European Union.